Should my bio be written in the first or the third person? Hey there, I'm Mark Scott. Thanks for checking out another voiceover tip. Never want to miss one of these tips? It's simple. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. New tips are going up every single week, and if you're subscribed, you're going to get notified every time a new tip goes live. Also, if you're looking for more free advice on the business and marketing side of voiceover, please check out the Everyday VOpreneur podcast. Wherever fine podcasts are given away for free, including VOpreneur.com. So this is a question that comes up a lot. Writing the bio for my website and just writing the copy in general for your website. Should it be written in the first or the third person? I've heard arguments for both sides, and what I want to give you today is probably more personal opinion than it is anything, but it's personal opinion based on experience. So one of the arguments to be made for writing your bio on your website in the third person is that it is supposed to be better for SEO. Now, I can neither confirm nor deny this. I have done some research to try to find out whether or not that is actually true, and I haven't really ever found anything that does confirm that it is true. That doesn't mean the information's not out there, it just means I haven't been able to find it. So, is writing your bio in the third person in fact better for SEO? I guess that one remains to be debated. Another argument for writing your bio in the third person is that it makes you come across as more of an authority figure. It makes you look bigger than you are, right? When you're writing from the third person, it's like, oh, they've got people and the people are writing for them, right? That's kind of the way that it feels. It's kind of about a perception. Maybe making you or your company look bigger than you are, maybe making you come across as more authoritarian than you are. And I don't mean authoritarian in a negative way, I just mean more expert-like, more qualified. So that's one of the arguments that has been made for writing in the third person as well. And I suppose there's a legitimate argument to that, in that when you go to a website where copy is written in a third person, it does make it seem like it's probably a bigger organization. But here's the flip side of that, and this is why I'm actually a big fan of writing in the first person. As a voice actor, I'm the brand. You're dealing with me. There's not an army of people that are out there behind me that are making all of the magic happen. You're dealing with me. Need to get an audition? Email me. Need to get a quote? Email me. Need to negotiate rates? You're going to have a conversation with me. Want to talk to me about your booking? You're going to have a conversation with me. Got a customer service issue? You're talking to me. Anything that you are going to do from an interaction standpoint with Marc Scott voiceover is going to happen between me and the client. And so I don't need to appear bigger than I am because I am the brand. It's just me. And so the biggest reason why I so much rather prefer the first person narrative is because it does feel more intimate. It does feel more personal. It comes across more relational. If you're going to be building a relationship with me to work on your voiceover project, then I want you to feel like you're building a relationship with me to do that voiceover project. And so when I'm writing the copy for my website, I'm writing it from the first person perspective. And I am writing it in a more personal, relational, kind of smaller way. And I don't think that's a bad thing though, because I'm not trying to make anybody think that my company and my voiceover services are bigger than what they are. I want them to understand that, look, you and I, we're gonna be friends. You know, we're gonna do some jobs. We're gonna be friends. You know, it's you and me. Maybe that doesn't work as well with larger companies, although I work with a lot of large clients, so maybe that throws that argument out the window. But at the end of the day, it all comes back to personal preference. If you want to come across bigger than you are, if you want to come across more professional and more authoritarian, then maybe the third person is the way that you want to go. But if you recognize that you're the brand and that this whole thing is just about you developing a relationship with your clients and your prospects, these are the people that are looking at your website. If you want to make that more personal connection with them, then that's where I think that the first person narrative is the way to go.